Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a Gypsy housewife deep cleaning routine. So I already had my coffee this morning and I'm basically just showing you what coffee I drank. I had some pumpkin spice coffee, but now I'm going to make me some Teamy tea. I just got this tea a few days ago and this is the Teamy Focus. And for this deep cleaning today, I really need to have my brain focused. So pretty much now I am going to show you guys that my place is a little messy because I've been gone for a week, came back home, unpacked, clothes are everywhere, my closet broke, and my bedroom's a mess. So you will not be seeing me clean that today. But anyways, this is my living room, kitchen, and all that, and I'm about to get started. So my husband is actually home because it's New Year's Eve, and now I'm making him a cup of coffee. And really why I'm recording this is because I just wanted to show y'all this super cute cup. It's got my cookie girl on it. Isn't it adorable? Now normally I would start cleaning and then eating my breakfast, but I was starving this morning and I was having a really lazy day. So I'm going to make me a little piece of toast here. I'm going to fry me up an egg and then I'm going to throw that fried egg on top of my toast with a little Marmite. Okay, y'all, so this is so embarrassing, but this is my bedroom right now. Because my closet broke, my clothes are everywhere, purses everywhere, shoes everywhere. It is horrible. It's a mess. So I'm not even going to be cleaning my room today because there is no point until maintenance comes and fixes my closet. But I did want to tell you guys that I am listing some of my clothes on Poshmark. So if you want to go check out my Poshmark closet, you can buy some of my clothes because obviously I need to get rid of some because I broke my closet. So anyways, I'm going to start cleaning the kitchen now, and I want to show you guys because you keep asking what is this stuff I'm using in the blue bottle. This is a Clorox multi-purpose. It's called Morning Sky Scent and it smells amazing. And I just put it in a bottle, a spray bottle, and I mix it with a little water, and I clean my countertops, my floor. I clean whatever I want to with it, and it smells so good. So for those of you asking, that is exactly what I was using in my other videos. So right now I'm pretty much just wiping off my countertops. Even though they was already clean, I just like them to be extra clean. So that's what I'm doing now. So I'm just using some plain old paper towels and I'm using my little Clorox mix and I'm wiping the backsplash down, wiping the countertops off still, and also wiping off my cabinets. I'll tell you what, I really hate having a black stovetop. I feel like I can never keep it clean and it literally shows everything. So here I am wiping off my stovetop. I usually do this a few times a day because it drives me nuts. So now I'm just giving my kitchen sink a little scrub down with some of this apple scented dish soap I got from Wegmans. So now I'm just mopping my floor with the same Clorox mixture that you've seen me wiping off my countertops and my cabinets with, and I'm just using my Swiffer to clean it up. So I just got this product yesterday. This is Tide. It kills 99.9% of germs. It's an antibacterial fabric spray and it smells so good. Plus it's antibacterial, girl. But seriously, it smells like Tide and it's super easy to use and I am really loving it. So now I'm just loading my washer with some clothes, but I wanted to show you guys what I've been using for my laundry lately because it smells really good and works really good. So I wanted to show y'all the super cute picture that my friends over in the UK made me. It's actually cloth and stitching and it's me and Alan and our kitten girls. They made it for me for Christmas and I absolutely love it. Yeah, so now I am just wiping off my air conditioning vent because that thing is pretty dusty and it needs to be cleaned, okay? I also just got these new essential oils from Simply Earth. I'm not really sure which monthly box this is, but it's so cute. They've got some really nice recipe cards inside, and it came with 4 different essential oils and 2 little chapstick tubes to make chapstick. It came with these tapioca pearls and a massage bar mold. Simply Earth is pretty amazing and they have some really awesome essential oils. I'll put more information down below so you can check it out, but they are my favorite essential oils. I use them all the time, and today I'm going to be putting the bergamot essential oil into my diffuser that I got from Amazon. Check out these super cute shoes my mom just got me in Texas from Academy. They're Skechers and Bobs or whatever. I'm so excited about them because I love getting new tennis shoes and I just wanted to show them to you guys because they're so cute. So a lot of you have been asking me about our couch, and just so you know, it is called a cloud couch and all of the pieces are movable so you can put them however you want them, but we just keep them like this, like a big comfy bed. And the reason that we have blankets all over the couch is obviously to protect it, but also we have cats, so I don't want them scratching it up and ruining it. So that's why it's covered in blankets and pillows. Plus, it's super comfy, so why not? So I'm just straightening up the blankets and the pillows, and I'm also spraying it down with that Tide spray because it smells amazing. Okay. So now I'm going to start cleaning my bathroom. I am using these Lysol products that I just got a few days ago. And one is a bleach spray and the other two are obviously toilet cleaners. So I'm just going to take everything off of my countertop and I'm going to clean my countertop. And then I'm going to go in and take all the stuff out of my shower and then bleach my shower and give it a good scrub down. Some of you had made a comment last time on one of my videos when I was bleaching my shower about me wearing all black clothes while cleaning with bleach. And I literally started thinking about this while I was in these baby pink clothes looking like a pink Easter bunny. And yeah, so I ended up changing my clothes and putting on some old cleaning clothes because I didn't want to ruin my clothes. So yay, my bathroom is all fresh and clean, looking good and smelling good. So now I'm going to clean my makeup slash filming room, and I was really dreading this because as you can tell it is messy, it is cluttered, and it looks like a tornado came through and blew everything everywhere. That big pile of clothes in the corner is clothes I am going to be selling because I need to get rid of, and everything else, I don't even know what it is. It's just straight up clutter and a mess. So I'm going to try to clean it up a little bit today, and yeah, here I go. Check out these super cute little house slippers that Alan just got me from the dollar spot in Target. They're white and super fluffy and so comfy. And then I got this cute little chalkboard that got pink around it so I can write some scriptures and whatnot to encourage myself throughout the day. Yeah, we got both of those from the dollar spot at Target. Good deals. Thank God I ended up cleaning this room because messes and clutter gives me the worst anxiety. And this room I've actually been avoiding because it's just too much going on. There's just too much stuff everywhere, but I'm glad I wiped everything down and put a lot of stuff away. And yeah, I feel a lot better about it. So I'm finally done with this room and it feels so much better now, thank God. But anyways, you have reached the end of the video, so I'm going to go ahead and end it now. Just wanted to say thanks so much for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet, and leave me some comments down below because I would love to hear from you, and give this video a thumbs up, and welcome to all of my new viewers and my new subscribers. I'll see you next time. Bye.